Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Today is Monday, August 26, 2024, Day of the Dog. Best color, all shades of white. Activities, going to a higher place, going to the mountain, to a building, to a skyscraper, doing some male activities like gym,